Well, let's see how our revised drain works now. Come on, baby, go. Let me see them little vortexes I'd like to see. Granted, pushing 2 full drain sinks is... going down at a decent rate. Go, baby, go. This had to be one of the toughest drain cleaning jobs ever. And there's our little vortexes showing up in the water. Ooh, big ones. So we definitely have a clean pipe. Air thing, I had to revise all the piping down here because this outlet here was too low in comparison to the other side of the pipe. So I ended up having to open the wall, raise the pipe, and open the wall and raise the pipe. And I just barely got a level mark. And why didn't I just redo this end? Well, we have 2 TYs here. And we have another pipe here, we have another pipe here, and we have another pipe here. If I was to try to jam in ABS, it would be a nightmare to try to squeeze all that pipe in. ABS is a little bigger. The wall is thicker, so the pipe is a little bigger. I truly didn't believe I would be able to get it to fit. So that was my solution, was open the wall there, repair a bad joint that was here, and of course which exposed the fact that the pipe didn't fit very well to begin with, so I ended up needing to split it and put on a Fernco fitting there. And like I say, open the wall back here so that I could raise the pipe. I needed to cut out a bit of the wood to raise the pipe up, and back to here. Now what happens when I raise the pipe? Yes, it changed everything with the P-trap. The P-trap would no longer fit. So I ended up having to meet the objectives of everything. I still need 3 points to take this apart. Normally you would see a hand undo fitting right here. In this case, it is now back here, where you can undo that fitting, undo these brass ones right up here, and pull the whole rig down for drain cleaning. And of course this dumb little thing here is for pretty much for rings and earrings and things like that. So beyond straightening out our handles, I think I'm done here. Well, now I gotta put back the wall. It's a firewall, so I'm gonna have to fix every hole. Have a nice day now. Bye-bye.